Hi guys!
Speech off.
So I have with me the Samsung Galaxy A20e, and yeah, I'm gonna show you the ringtones and the notification tones, and yeah. So here we go. that's it for the ringtones.
Talk back on. Phone. Phone advanced options. Settings 12 of 12. Ringtone. Back. Sounds and
And I touched the wrong corner, but that's okay.
volumes. Call. Vibration. Sound. Separate. System sound / vibration control. System sound /
Does it give you a system sound theme in this?
Sound. Touch interaction. Screen lock. Charge. Dialing. Samsung key. Vibration. Touch dialing key. Navigate. Charging on. Samsung keyboard on. Navigator. System sound / vibration control. Sound header heading. Touch interact.
Oh, it doesn't give you a sound theme.
Systems. Navigate.
That is sad.
Sounds and set. Look. Vibration. Notification. TikTok 3 of 5 in list 5 items. Talk back off.
It actually gives you your vibrations. Let's see if you guys can hear it from here. That's class. But I'm keeping it at that. Because that is like the Samsung vibration sound. Oopsies. I just turned my ring volume down. I did not mean to do that.
Talk back on. Vibration. Sound. System sound. Looking for alert. Do not to. Sounds and vibration. Alert when phone pick. Separate app sound. Call
Right.
Volumes. Call vibrate.
Oh yeah, we've also got the call vibration here.
Waltz 4 of 5. Heartbeat.
I will show you guys those.
Talk back off.
I really hope you can hear them. Yep, that's the one that we're using.
Talk back
Okay.
on. Vibration intensity.
I'm just trying to find the
Notification
notification
vibration.
zone.
Call vibration pattern. Volume 7 of System Sound. Galaxy 6 of 8.
Oh my days, there is system sound. I didn't
System
know that.
sound. Choose a sound theme to use
Okay,
for touch
I'm super
interactions.
dumb.
Charging, changing the sound mode. Samsung. Talk back off.
Okay, I'm super dumb. I just found this. I will keep it at... Oh, actually there is one thing I'd like to show you in fun. So, I'm gonna go to fun. Here I am in fun, right? And I'm gonna go... Gonna turn my thingy on, my talkback on a second. Wow, I didn't know there was a volume sound. That's class. That's class. Okay, that's not what I was wanting to show you, but if I go here, I'm gonna go to...
Google OneDrive page app
This thing's got OneDrive.
calendar
I did not know that.
Instagram in Pager.
What?
More options. Samsung, Google Fold, OneDrive, Galaxy, Play Store, Facebook, Net, Phone,
Right.
Edit box out of Pager. A2.
Now are you ready? I'm not gonna call anyone, but listen to this. That is dialing the numbers. That is hilarious. Hey, 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 hey. No, I can't really do it. I don't know. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys that. Anyway, that was really not irrelevant to what I was looking for. I'm still looking for the notification tones.
Camera search button.
Right, I'm just gonna go into
Back button.
my recent.
Recent app. Phone. Settings setting. Sounds and
See, I actually forgot that this phone had this.
Volume. System sound fun 6 of 8.
I did know it had this, but I did forget.
Calm. Galaxy. Ticked. Black. Notification sounds baseline.
There we go. We finally got where we need to be. Right.
Silent. Talk back off.
Right, here we go. Oh my days, that scared me. I wasn't expecting it. Didn't scare me, but I was excited. Okay. And yeah, that's it. The alarm tone is Homecoming. That was one of the ones that was on the ringtone list already, so we are not doing alarm tones. So the title will be different.
Back on. One UI home. Weather in pager.
Right, let me turn you off.
Power off. Power off. Button out of grip. Power off. Android.
And there we go. This is a cute little thing. It is really cute. Because it's just that cute little small thing. It's not like overly small. But I think it's cute. But yeah, anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Speech on. Speech off. Low battery. 20. Low close. Button.
I need to charge my phone.
Stop recording. Stop recording.